Hey everyone, how's it going today? I wanted to do a quick little install video, and this is just going to be straight to the point. I don't want to mess around, don't want to take up any of your time. What I'm going to be doing today is changing the spark plugs on my 2017 Maserati Ghibli SQ4, and get right to it here. Now the spark plugs I bought straight from Scuderia, so it's official Maserati, already come pre-gapped, and this is what the part number looks like. Now the actual gap itself, I went ahead and checked it. It's going to be 0.6 millimeters or 0.024 inches. So use my little gapping tool, make sure that everything was correct. Now I already took out 3 and my car is at 37,000 miles. And you can see here, they're pretty worn, in need of replacing. So have my brand new ones here, gonna be throwing them in, and I'll show you the process. Now the tools you'll be needing is either 5/8 or in my case they didn't have it, I got a 9/16 socket key, so I was able to use that. Works out pretty well. You'll need a T30 Torx bit as well as your actual torque wrench. Now this process is extremely easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is take off your top cover, and everything is right there at you. Now if you look, you'll have your Torx bolts on each side, and you'll want kind of like a little elbow to be able to get to these back ones here. But you don't even need to take off these plugs here. If you want to, you can simply slide this out, pull this cable, and it'll let you get this plug off. But otherwise, simply undo the bolt with your T30, pull this plug straight out, and use your 5/8 to take out the plug. So once you're finished up, just pop your cover back on and you're good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or message me on Instagram at WRX_snowboarder. Like I said, this was a pretty easy install. Torqued them at 16 foot-pounds. Make sure not to use any grease or anything, or it'll mess up your actual torque. And the actual T30 bolt, just tighten it down. It doesn't have to be a specific torque spec. Hopefully this helps, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.